Welcome to the second tutorial of Windows Server 2012. In this video, we'll discuss about Windows Server 2012 features. Windows Server 2012, codenamed Windows Server 8, is the sixth version of the Windows Server. Improvements in Windows Server 2012 are Hyper-V replica, storage migration, core server installation, storage pools and storage spaces, ISC target server and Active Directory cloning. Hyper-V replica. Yes, you are familiar with this. Then what is Hyper-V replica? Hyper-V replica is a free, inbuilt feature. It enables customers to replicate their virtual machine's 5-minute replication frequency. Next is storage migration. Don't get confused. Function that migrates is nothing but the volume data from an old storage system to volumes in a new storage system without affecting both server configuration. Everybody knows what is installation. Here, core server installation feature enables you to easily switches to GUI installation without the need of reinstallation. Next, storage pools and storage spaces. A storage pool is a collection of storage volumes. A storage volume is the basic unit of storage, such as allocated space on a disk. Then, storage spaces is a technology in Windows Server that can help protect your data from drive failures. It uses capacity from storage pool to create storage spaces. These typically store extra copies of your data, so if one of your drives fails, you still have an intact copy of your data. ISC target server. Yeah, it's great. Feature that lets admin boot multiple computers on a network from a single operating system. Image that's stored in a central location. And it can boot hundreds of computers using just a single OS image. And the final one, Active Directory cloning. As you all know, cloning is an easy way to produce alternate copies of existing one. It helps to quickly restore a domain controller in event of failure, and also, it helps SS to deploy test environments easily when needed. Here is the different editions. Choose what is the right one for your business needs.